Alright, this the original Fusion. This is the original Fusion. I got it loose. And I found that these two are loose. I think it was this one. This one is loose. So these two capacitors are loose, no budging in them. These two are loose. This is loose. You can see it's moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resolder these two because ain't no budging in them. That's kind of loose. This is loose. But I know this is loose for sure. You can see it. It ain't supposed to move like that. And I actually seen the pins up under here. I actually seen them on both ends. They loose. So I'm going to resolder them. I'm going to check for anything else that may be loose. I know the sub is good because, like I said, I had a speaker wired to it. And on my old amp, I was playing this off this amp before I got my stock audio system. This was supposed to go on my car. The stock audio was supposed to go on my truck, but things happened and I never put it in my truck because I don't want to lose my subs. I put them in the truck and things ain't right, so they in the house for now. Like I said, these gonna go back to, that's a Fusion. You can't see it, but I got a Fusion amp sitting on top right there, on top of the Pioneer. So I'm gonna see if, I'm gonna solder these on there. I'm gonna check the rest of these for any loose crack solderings. I don't think nothing on here is cracked because I haven't checked this board yet, but I'm going to. But I think it's mostly here. And I gotta find a pin. I forgot when I first took this apart, I ripped this the 5-pin connection off. I gotta find one and figure out how to put it back together. So yeah, I think this sub is I think the problem is in this board here. So I will be resoldering this. And with that sub, I gotta find, it's a 100 MDF. What you call it? Cause that one might be bad, but I gotta deglue it from the bottom of the board and maybe see if that needs to be replaced. But ain't no budging in it, so it might just be a cracked solder on that one too. So I got a industrial heat gun. Let me see. That's for the shelf. I just built this shelf up here. So I got this heat gun to take that board off. And like I said, the last video I made on this, it's a board that sit, I forgot which corner it is, but it sit like in the corner. And that's a driver board or something. I'm gonna deglue that. I'm gonna check the soldering on that 100 MDF capacitor and make sure that it worked. I mean, that it's not cracked. Most likely it probably did crack. And for this one, like I said, I gotta, it's not supposed to move like that. That's not bad, but these are bad. And you can actually see the cracking around the flux glue. So I think I'll have 2 amps, me 2 speakers back working right.